Hey loves, so if you're new here or if you're just catching up and you missed our announcement, not our pregnancy announcement, because yes, we're expecting baby number 3, but the announcement of us moving. That's right, we bought a lot. We are building our dream home. I'm so excited. If you're new here, you probably don't know, I do a ton of decorating and homemaking videos on my channel. So building a home has just been a dream of mine forever, and it is just so crazy cool that we're making this happen right now. And I just cannot thank everybody who's been along on this YouTube journey and just followed our family all this time, because we would not be able to do this if it weren't for all of you. So just thank you so much. And if you're new and you want to subscribe and follow on this journey with us, click that red subscribe button now. But I'm going to take you guys into the model home, do a new house tour today, and I'm going to explain. We're doing a custom floor plan, but I can kind of show you guys in the model the things we're going to be changing and tweaking and customizing for our family. So let's go. Come inside and check out this new house tour with me. Okay, so here we go. This is the foyer, and it has this curved staircase that I feel like was big on the dream board list. And then to this side is the dining room. And Adam and I, when we toured this house, we just loved how the ceilings in here looked. So that's definitely something we kind of want to keep similarly when we build. And if you head up this side of the stairs, here is the office area. And I love this little cubby bench seating. Good office. And then I'll do downstairs first before we go back up the stairs. But here's the big great room. And I feel like this room is what Adam and I just loved, with the built-ins on each side of the fireplace and just so much light that comes in. You can see the stairs there too, and a second staircase. And then this leads into what's like the breakfast table area and the little breakfast nook here, which again, like such pretty lighting. But one of the changes we discussed was actually making this more of a hearth room, and where I'm pointing, putting a fireplace there. So it still has a lot of windows, but I said my one thing, if the TV goes over the fireplace, I still like to be able to decorate the fireplace. So that was one of the things Adam and I talked about, is, well, maybe if I still had my own fireplace here, I could decorate. This would be a really, really pretty hearth room. And then I could see that from the kitchen while I'm cooking. But this is the dream kitchen. Like, cooking Thanksgiving dinner in here would be amazing. And I'm obsessed with the hood over the stove. And I love how it feels symmetrical. I feel like that's something I definitely want to make sure we incorporate in a lot of the design, but good light in here too. Okay, so again, here's the little breakfast table nook. And the one thing, as you're like passing through from the kitchen to the dining room, there's this little kind of a butler's pantry wine bar area. That's really nice, so that if you're just hanging out then in the dining room, it's easy access there. But back around into the mudroom area. So here's where you would come in from the garage. And this is actually something where Adam and I are gonna totally customize how this mudroom area looks. So this wall is actually gonna be opened up. So it would be a big combo laundry mudroom with an island for folding clothes. You can see this kind of goes over into even another closet there. So all of this opened up, like imagine this wall knocked down. So it would be a big family ready room is what some other floor plans called it. And then also the pantry right now is right here. It's big, but this is gonna become a powder room on this side. So a little half bath would go there, and the pantry would kind of be right here, like behind this wall of the kitchen. So the pantry would kind of be split here, and the rest of this all opened up to be mud room, laundry room, ready room. Okay, we're gonna go back through the house here. And on this side, again, here's where the foyer was. On this side of the house, this is gonna be the master suite then. So right now there's a closet here, and this is actually where the powder room is. So basically this will all be taken out and be part of the master suite. So this will be the bedroom, but this might actually be popped out. I'm not quite sure which wall or both walls will be popped out. And there will be a his and hers closet. And then this is currently a full bath, but it's gonna also be like this wall pushed out a little farther so that it's a bigger full bath with shower and tub. And again, I think there will be like one closet here and another closet on this side because I really wanted natural light in my closet. Okay, we're gonna head upstairs. So you can see family room right down there. And then this is a loft area, but this is another place that's gonna be a bit more custom for us. So there will be a wall here, and this is going to be a bedroom. And this is going to be another bedroom still. And then the bathroom can be a Jack and Jill. So there will be like an entrance on that wall to come into this bathroom then. Hi. And then there's a closet here for one of the kiddos. It kind of depends, since we don't know if baby is a boy or girl. Either the same gender or same sex will share these rooms and have the Jack and Jill then. All right, moving along, another staircase there. I'm sure for Christmas time, if you guys seen my Christmas decorate with me, as you know, I'm already like scheming all the garland that I'll need for that. But here it's currently the girls' room. But again, it kind of depends. If baby is a boy, then the boys will be over there and Presley will be over here. But there's a closet there, nice big walk-in one. All of them are like walk-in closets. And actually, we did ask on the sketches for the closets to even be a little bit bigger, because I just know big closets for organizing are way easier. And then this one will have an ensuite. So, sorry I'm out of breath. I blame pregnancy. And then right now, the way this is set up is the master is upstairs, but again, our master will be downstairs. And we will have a bathroom that's more of a similar setup to this. So the shower stall, the big soaker tub, dual sinks, and then that's where we have like a little private toilet area, which is something Adam and I always say, like, we need to have that in our house, a private area. And this is kind of the inspo for our closets then downstairs too. I think this is hysterical, this mirror, but this would be like the her closet with the natural lighting. Like, I really like that, so that I could actually get dressed in here and get ready. I feel like it's so nice to see what you look like in natural light. And then on this side is his closet, which Adam was so excited about because it's 100%, probably double the size of what our current closet is just for him. And he has way more clothes than me. I know nobody would believe that, but Adam has way more clothes than me, so he needs that. show you the basement now. Okay, so right now, the basement they have is set up to be movie room, game room, and this wine cellar in here, which is epic. Like, this would be my lady cave. I don't think we're gonna do this in our house though. Adam and I said, as cool as I think it is, it really would only be for adults to enjoy. So what we said is actually not having that wall there and just opening all of this so that it's a much bigger, like putting in some sort of a bar area here and then having this be a movie room so that this can just be like a big entertainment area for watching movies, watching sports, making food with a bar here, and we would keep then all the rest of this storage. There's so much storage in this house. It's crazy, and I don't know if you noticed, because of the office being raised, this area is crazy tall. I think they said it's like a 12-foot tall ceiling right there. So Adam was joking he's gonna put a basketball hoop there so he can practice shooting with Landon and Presley down here. And the new baby too, I guess. But again, all this is storage then. I don't even need this much storage for all my decorations, but it'll be great. And the only other thing we are contemplating is this area right here. They did mention to us that this would be perfect. They could do another window, sort of like, if you notice, the windows in the basement go down pretty far. So they could do more windows on these walls, and this could actually be another bedroom in the basement, or like a guest bedroom if we wanted them to be able to just come downstairs and have their very own space. So we could do it later and just have them put the windows when they build the house, or we could have them put it in when we build, but we were talking about that because then there is a full bath in the basement here, which we have that currently, and we actually do love that because guests then do have their completely own full bath to use. But well, there you have it. That is the new house tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed getting to see around it. Let me know what you think of some of the changes that we're thinking about making. And if you want to continue following along on this journey, make sure you hit that red subscribe button before you leave today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves.